should be breaking the runway any second now.
Runway
You can really see that ridge line right there.
Got everything.
There's the runway. Boy, it's coming out real nice.
And
Not detailed, but it's
land.
we are clear to land.
Okay, the gears down, the flaps.
Gears down, flaps, ground spoilers are armed. This will be a
7.
full stop.
Yeah.
Tad high. On the go right path.
Right path vectors right on the runway.
1,000.
Okay, autopilot's off.
Okay.
Speed's good. We're
Speeds
looking
are good.
For the Vassies coming in.
Gases are coming nicely. Last chance check.
500.
Rechecked.
Look at those trees you can see. Can't see.
400. 300.
Perfect.
Gears down, everything's done. We're
Yep,
cleared to land.
I've got the train on the side. You're clear.
200. 100.
Very nice.
50. 40. 30. 20. 10.
Good brakes.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Okay. Well, it didn't look hard with that thing, did it?
Left Alpha 5, we're Alpha 6 right on Alpha, taxi to runway 23.
That's from 22. Alpha 5 or Alpha 6, your choice.
Alpha 6.
And we'll be making Alpha 6 and we'll be pulling off in